In this video, we will discuss programming a handpiece position on a CP5 or CP5i control pad. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Enter the Settings menu. Scroll down to Equipment. Then to Delivery. Select Holder Configuration. Withdraw the handpiece you would like to configure from its holder. Select Assign Instrument. Confirm that you would like to reassign the instrument. Use the up and down arrows to select the desired handpiece type. In this example, an ultrasonic handpiece is chosen. Press Select to save the new handpiece type. Return the handpiece to its hanger. Press the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. Test the newly configured handpiece to confirm that it is functioning properly. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.